go to the artistic text tool in Affinity Photo and create some type. Then go to the rectangle tool and create a quick rectangle, a thin slice, any size, but I'm going to make them all the same. I'm going to duplicate this multiple times, so move tool, hold down the Alt Option key. You could create 10, 50, 20, 100 copies if you want. But also what I need to do is I need to align them, so I'm just going to select all of those. So just go up to the alignment, and there I'm just going to use that one, the middle option there. And also distribute, so I'm just going to distribute their horizontal centers. Now if you haven't got that, what you need to do is go to View and Customize Toolbar, and you can see it there, Distribute, and just drag that up into this over here. Now with that done, I can go to the type. I need to convert that to a curve, so Convert to Curve. There's a number of other places as well, right click, etc. But I'm just going to use Convert to Curves. And you can see now you've got these curves converted there. Now what I can do, I can just select all of those and I can just drag that up there. I don't want them in the group. So I can just delete that group now. So with that, I can now move this, all these lines down over here. Just drag that there. And also I'm going to resize and I can reposition it. And also I can now just select all of those. They're all selected and resize the whole thing. So you can just see it a bit easier. And you can see all of them selected. Once you've done that, go to Layer and Geometry and Divide. So now they've all been divided and you can see they all become lots and lots of different parts. Now at that point, you've got the black there. I just want the reds. So all the reds I've selected because I want to delete them. So just go down the bottom. There's a little option here for delete and that's it. They've all been deleted and now you've got thin stripes all the way down, nicely evenly distributed. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.